Alright, now let's attach our heatsink. There's the top. Bottom looks good. Now for the fun part of getting the wire out of the way to get the screw in. There we go. That was not too bad. Now for the other tough one, but this wire looks a little bit more tricky just because the heatsink is in the way a little bit, or a lot of it. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now we just got to get the bottom two, and then we'll re-thermal paste. Alright, so I had to take off the front pin, but I got it in there. So I probably should have put these brackets on first. But now I'll tighten it up, and I will lock in this guy again. Much easier than the reverse, doing it the other way. Cool. So now this is all back together. Next we'll thermal paste.